Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
So hello guys, welcome to my new video, and today in this video I'm going to tell you top 5 courses that you must to enroll and you must to do that courses in 2024. So those top 5 courses are for programming or coding and for your programming career, and they're gonna very helpful for your programming career. So let's get started. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Okay, so in here we have top 5 websites. So the first course that I recommend you is Python for everybody. So if you learn Python for everybody, this is a great beginner friendly course that covers Python programming. It's suitable for those who are new to programming and want to learn Python for various applications. And in this website you just have to click on enroll for free, and the date will be going on here, like start at December 30 or 1st January. So the second website that we have is CS50, and the course name is CS50 Introduction to Computer Science. CS50 is a widely praised introduction to computer science, teaching C and Python. It's challenging but provides a solid foundation in computer science concepts. It's available on the edX platform, so you can go to that website. You just have to open edX, and I already showed the website on my previous video. You can watch that video also. So the third website that we have is Udacity. So Udacity, full stack web developer. This program covers both front-end and back-end web development, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python and more. It's projects based, providing hands-on experience. So for that you just have to join for free or log in first if you already have the account, and then search full stack web developer. You can search in here also. So the fourth website that we have and the course that we have is JavaScript. So this is on Code Academy. So Code Academy offers interactive learning experience for various programming languages. Their courses on JavaScript and Python are well structured and suitable for beginners. So if you're beginner, you must to join this course. So the fifth website and the course is C# Fundamentals. This is also a great website for learning programming. So if you are interested in C# and .NET development, this course is a solid choice for you. Offers in-depth and technical courses, and this one is great for learning C# from scratch. So those are the top 5 websites that I can recommend to you that you should learn in 2024. And the first and the top one is Coursera, then others that I showed you. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you very much. That's all from me. Thank you. Bye.